Hi, it's Christina. Yay, it's our 20th episode. Let's see what today's question is. There are several ways to protect your hair from UV damage. First, you can purchase one of our leave-in detanglers. It's our Beauty Mark 3-in-1 Miracle Protect that can be purchased here at superhairpieces.com. You can also protect your hair from UV damage by wearing a cap and using less heat when blow drying your hair, cooler, warmer temperatures with blow drying, not being out in the sun for too long because sun also fades the color, so it damages the hair, alters the color. So if you're on vacation somewhere tropical, somewhere hot, a hat would be really nice. For men, baseball caps, women like floppy hats. Like I said, our 3-in-1 Miracle Protect Leave-In Detangler moisturizes, detangles, and protects from the UV. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!